Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video in the View at the Huck's World, and you know what we do on the channel. Freebies, 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 right? Now, the name of this one is called Pendulum Animation. It's going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Now, we got two watch faces in the lineup, so don't go anywhere after this one because we got one more for you all to check out that's also going to be free for the taking as well. With that being said, let's kick off this review. Now, the name of the watch face is called Pendulum Animation. I thought the developer got down on this one. Very unique, very nice. In the AOD mode, you're going to get the same look, same layout, but you're not going to get the swinging pendulum, which is expected, right? But when the watch face is on, I'm loving this look. I like the look of that pendulum swinging back and forth, right? And it shows something that's in the background. The developer did an awesome job with such a unique watch face, right? And the good part about this one is that it's geared toward fitness as well. So you can see your step information, your heart rate, and you get your battery info as well. Now at the top, you're going to get your digital time with an AM stamp. But overall, people, you got to tell me, what do you think about this one? Now, I think everyone should have a fun, dressed down, casual watch face in their lineup, and this one is one for the archives. Make sure you download this one before free becomes paid. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number 2. All right, you all, watch face number 2 is by MWF. This one is called Core D. Now, it's a nice, simple, casual dress-down watch face. Nothing to write home to mama about. But if you want some watch faces in your lineup to be able to flex into, then this might be one you want to add to your archives. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get the same look. It's going to be in a black and white thing. But once it's on, very simple. It gives you all the important information that you need, like your date information at the top, the day of the week. You're also going to get a nice digital time dead center, and you're going to get your battery info and your step info as well. And the thing about this watch face is that it is interactive. So if you need to go into your step status info, calories burned, your stress information, sleep, things of that nature, you can. Same thing for your battery info. If you want to put it in power saving mode, watch only, you can go into that. And also you can go into your calendar, set an event as well. Now, if you want to change the color of the meter that goes around your steps and your battery info, just double tap on the time and you can cycle through the many different colors that this watch face has to offer. Check it out. Very light though. They're very light, but nice. Just keep double tapping till you get to the color you like, and then you're all good. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't leave before you hit the like button. All right, and if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And again, as always, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.